Hello there, my name is Kaiziaki Jocelyn from Gold Coatings, a paint manufacturing business in Wakiso, Kura. I am a beneficiary of the YSAU program. We joined the program last year, and honestly, we came thinking that we knew, but when we reached there, the mentorship, the training, the teaching made us to destroy everything that we had so that we can rebuild. There's a lot that the business has benefited from the program, from telling our story to public relations, to market validation, to building a company, so many things that we didn't know about business that we've had to learn and implement, and we've seen growth and big milestones being achieved in the business. Through the program further, we've benefited in so many other things. For example, we are going for the GITEX exhibition that is happening in Morocco, and we have very much expectations of seeing how other people in the industry operate do the things, the same things that we do, but we have anticipations, and we know they're doing it differently. So we are going there to see how they do it, so that when we come back, we make ourselves better and improve so that our customers are satisfied. We've also benefited from the program. We've received funding, and when we came, it was entirely about getting money so that we can add into the business. But realized sometimes it's not about getting money, because you can get the money, but then you don't know where you're going to put it. Through the mentoring and the master classes, we learned how to organize the business, put it in order, so that when you receive money, you know what exactly you're going to do. So the idea of getting money, we dropped it. But after organizing ourselves and putting everything together, we were lucky to be selected among the people who are going to receive the funding. And indeed, I can say we are ready for the funding, because we know what we are going to use the money for. We've arranged everything from financial modeling to milestone planning. We exactly know what we are going to do and how it's going to help and benefit the business, and also impact the community in which we operate. I thank you so much, the YSAU team, from the coordinators to the teachers, the mentors, the funders. It's all amazing. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you for holding the hand. It no longer feels lonely. Entrepreneurship sometimes feels lonely. You feel you're doing your thing alone, but with YSAU, it feels there's someone who is helping you, there's someone who is holding your hand, there's someone who is giving you direction and good direction, and it has been really positively impactful to us. Thank you so much.